Hey there, drilling nerds, John here, and today we are checking out the world of new kitchen design. Forget your grandma's floral wallpaper and cramped counters. We are talking sleek lines, smart storage, and pops of personality that will make your kitchen the heart of your home. So get ready, put on your design hats, and let's get ready for some inspiration. Modern small kitchen. We are starting with the world of modern small kitchens. These kitchens may be small, but they are stylish and practical. They show that great things can come in small packages. Let's take a closer look at how these compact spaces cleverly maximize both style and functionality, proving that size doesn't limit their impact on modern living. Modern island kitchen. Now, we are looking into the popularity of modern island kitchens. These kitchens focus on making a central space for cooking, eating, and hanging out. It's where cooking magic takes place and memories are created. Modern colorful kitchen. Now let's add a splash of color to our journey. Modern colorful kitchens are all about expressing your personality. With the right color scheme, your kitchen can be as vibrant and lively as you are. Modern minimalist kitchen. Now let's talk about modern minimalist kitchens. These kitchens focus on simplicity and elegance with neat lines and uncluttered space. They showcase the beauty of minimalism, creating a serene and stylish atmosphere in your home. Modern industrial kitchen. Next up, we have modern industrial kitchens. These kitchens combine raw materials like brick and metal with sleek modern elements to create a unique and edgy look. It's the perfect blend of rustic charm and modern sophistication. Modern farmhouse kitchen. Last but not least, we are visiting the cozy and inviting modern farmhouse kitchens. These kitchens blend classic farmhouse elements like wood and stone with modern design principles. It's the perfect space to cook a hearty meal for your loved ones. And that's the end of today's look at up-to-date kitchen designs. Keep in mind your kitchen mirrors your style, so make it special to you. For extra design ideas, visit our website at drillingnerd.com. Until next time, this is John saying goodbye. Stay inspired.